The brand new master and dynamic MH40 wireless V2 merges classic craftsmanship with cutting-edge innovations, preserving the iconic features of the original MH40 wireless V1, first generation, over-ear headphones. These features include an elegant aluminum body, luxurious lambskin leather trims, distinctive microphone grille EAR-CUP styling, and coated canvas material. Additionally, the V2 incorporates the swivel bar mechanism for headband adjustment, which was initially introduced on the MW65 headphones, adding to its premium aesthetics. The robust metal leather headband design, 3.5 cm wide, of the MH40 wireless V2 remains the same as the V1, providing a comfortable fit. However, it may cause discomfort during prolonged listening sessions due to limited padding. Nevertheless, the V2 maintains a lightweight design, weighing 280 grams, ensuring reduced pressure on the head for enhanced comfort. The detachable magnetized earpads and spring-loaded tilting mechanism of the MH40 wireless V2 allow the ear cups to tilt up and down with precision, providing a secure and comfortable fit over the ears. The earpads are more breathable than sealed PU earpads and feature plush padding. The V2 also retains the dimensions of the earpads, measuring 5.5 cm high by 3.5 cm wide by 2 cm deep on the inner hole and 9.5 cm high by 6.5 cm wide on the outer ring, with each earpad weighing 21 grams. The total weight of the MH40 wireless and earpads is 280 grams. Both the MH40 wireless V1 and V2 feature user control buttons on the right EAR-CUP for easy access to various functions. The V2 maintains the same button layout as the V1, with the center button handling multiple functionalities, including play, pause, voice assistant activation, call management, and track skipping. However, it would have been better if the track skipping function were integrated into the volume controls for a more familiar layout. Regarding connectivity, the MH40 wireless V2 offers Bluetooth 5.2 with quick pairing technology, absolute Bluetooth volume, and reliable connection. It also supports AAC, SBC, and aptX adaptive, providing lower latency and higher resolution audio, an improvement over the V1, which only supports SBC and aptX. In wired mode, both versions utilize a USB-C port for charging and audio, with the V2 supporting a 3.5 mm audio connection as well. In terms of sound quality, both the MH40 wireless V1 and V2 feature 40 mm drivers, offering substantial bass, well-defined vocal midrange, and treble. The V2 boasts a slightly enhanced sound profile with crisper highs and deeper lows, ensuring clear separation between vocals, instruments, and bass. The M&D Connect app allows users to customize the sound profile using built-in EQ presets, although the app lacks button remapping and EQ band sliders. Both versions deliver impressive battery life, with the V2 offering up to 30 hours of playtime and faster charging speed compared to the V1. The V2 allows for Bluetooth audio playback while charging, but it automatically powers off when disconnecting the charging cable, preventing charging in wired mode due to the combined charging audio port design. To summarize, the MH40 wireless V2 and V1 over-ear headphones impress with the design, sound quality, and premium materials. The V2 introduces notable enhancements, such as custom titanium drivers, Bluetooth 5.2, mobile app support, improved sound quality, and faster charging speed. Standing out from most plastic headphones on the market, the MH40 wireless V2's elegant appearance and premium materials, like genuine leather, stainless steel, and aluminum, elevate its appeal, ensuring a luxurious and durable listening experience.